Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off notifications on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, click on menu, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Okay, scroll down, click on settings, then scroll, tap on notifications. Okay, scroll down, click on push, just click. This option is off and on. That's all. Off, turn off notification on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.